Here we have a jQueryui.com website. Go to this website. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It's a very low voice. Yeah. Draggable. We'll see first droppable. Okay. Then we'll go for that draggable. Here you have a source target. You can just see, click and hold, move to a target element, release there. That's a drag and drop. So you're dragging source to the target. That's a simple drag and drop. And so this one is in the iframe inside. Okay, iframe inside. This is available. You can just handle the iframes and then identify the source and target separately. Then create object for the actions class. Call one by one actions class method. So let's go and write in the test.ng format and we'll continue. Okay, so let's write this. So right click, create a test.ng class. So I'll just take a before class, after class. That's it. I don't want anything. Just those two are enough. Okay. So my first step is, already, private WebDriver. Right. Private.
WebDriver, wait.
Import them. And so I want to again before class and after class you take as a @ parameters. Okay. Browser is our parameters. Okay. Parameters. So we can just declare. I'll just take from here. Okay, I don't want to repeat that code. Just take it from here. So let's save the time. That's it. So test case, just drop test. So open the URL. Go to the blog. How to open?
URL.
Wait for the drag. What is the command?
Until expected conditions.
Start.
Not bar or title contains arrays.
So to asset.
Asset dot asset equals driver dot
Okay. Next, what is our next step? Switch to
I.
iframe. Okay. So identify first switch. Okay, then we'll identify. Okay. Here you can see iframe tag src class. So take the class. How can you switch to iframes? Hmm? How can you switch to iframes? Gayatri? How can you switch to iframes? Hmm?
Driver dot
Hmm.
switch to
Switch to
iframe.
switch to iframe. Hmm?
Frame parent.
Frame.
Frame
Hmm.
parent into switch to frame child.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
Driver dot switch to frame, sir.
Hmm. Frame, then what you need to give as a parameter?
Get text.
Hmm?
The frame name.
Hmm?
Frame name. Switch to the frame. Like
Driver dot switch to dot frame of elements. Sir. First, we have to identify the element. Sorry, sir. I mean,
So we have to
also
identify the iframe element. Hmm? What is this madam saying? So this
I
is
feel said that. I mean, just
really
now I
not
saw
good.
that.
Hmm? Not at all. No, you are doing. Hmm? So it's bad.
driver does switch to the framework icon.
Okay, so switch it to frame. Now identify the source element. So what is the source element identification? So ID draggable. Okay. So we got source target, and now create object for actions class. Actions acted equal to new actions. So next week onwards, I'm not going to give 2 days, only 1 day. Because anyway, you are not working, no need of giving 2 days. So I thought, no, you're simply wasting time also. And I don't want to drag this to many days. So simply, if you're not reading, there is no point, right, giving holidays. Okay, so act dot. So directly you can call drag and drop method, source, target, dot perform method. So that's it. And if you want to close the browser, just close it. I will use thread.slip for your observation purpose. Otherwise, no need. I'm just going to give 3000 milliseconds. That's a 3 seconds. Add throws declaration and close the browser. Close. Oh, already we are handling, right? Browser we are closing.
And after class,
So in the after class, we are closing the.
yeah,
So if there is a parameters, obviously you have to, what you need to do?
we need to rule suit plus we have to display parameters.
Sorry.
Yes, xml inside suit we have to declare parameters name and value suit.
So you have to create
Um,
XML suite file.
yeah,
Let's go and create a XML suite file.
suit file.
So how to create XML suite file for this class?
Right click on the HTML programs class. Right click on the class. My voice is audible, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's
I-
audible.
Yeah.
We
Right
can
click
hear you.
on the class.
Yeah, right click on the class.
TestNG.
TestNG.
Yeah. Convert.
Convert to TestNG.
TestNG.
Oh, not that one, right? Our class is this one. You have to right click on this.
Drag and drop. TestNG.
Convert
Convert
to
to
test.
TestNG.
So just give the name, proper name, actions, actions, test.
Yes.
We'll just change it to WebDriver. So test ng. I'm creating in there only actions. Test ng .xml. Click on finish. So actions test ng.xml. Okay, so in the testng.xml file, you have to give your parameter, right? So what is our parameter?
Browser name,
Parameter name equal to
browser
browser
value,
value equal to
Firefox. Here we are using
So which one you want to run? Which browser you want to run?
Chrome.
Chrome. Chrome.
Chrome. So let's run on the Chrome then. Okay. Now right click, run as
TestNG.
it's very fast. No? Basically, did you guys observe or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you run once?
Want me run one more time?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is a other way. Okay. So we use a direct method, right? Now we use a direct method here. So without a direct method, you can do one more way. So what is the other way you can do is see that. So first we are moving manually, understand what we are doing. You are click and hold, then moving and releasing. So how many methods total?
4 methods.
What are 4 methods?
Click and hold. 2 methods. Moving and release.
Click and hold
Hold. Move and
the
release.
source.
Mhm.
So that means you have to write act dot click and hold
Yeah.
and
Click
hold
and
the source
release.
dot perform method. So every method after perform is mandatory. Then move to
Target.
target place. So act dot move to
Move to
element
of target.
dot perform. Then release.
Actions. ACT dot release.
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 So you can call release this one or release. That's it. See, this drag and drop method is a combination of these three methods. Okay,
Yes.
let's run this now. Same action it is going to happen. Okay, so that is the how we can do that. So either one is fine. This is the one program, simple program. And the other one is, see, draggable. Draggable. So you can drag wherever you want. We don't know source and target. Source we know.
Source.
Yes. But target we don't know where you want. You can give X and Y coordinates approximately. So let's go and just copy paste this code and change it. Drag and drop by test. Next method I'm covering, drag and drop by method. Drag and drop by test. So here the URL is different. Just URL will change. Remaining code all same. This is a draggable. Okay. That's it. Only you have source. I think which one is that? Draggable. Keep the draggable one. This one, and the second one you remove it. The method is drag and drop by.
Value.
So X coordinate and Y coordinate you give it. So I'm going to give 100, 120. So enable it and comment out this. Okay, that's it. So run that. So you need to add this class, right? You need to add this class in
Suit XML.xml. Yeah.
XML source file. String programs. That's it. So if you don't want to run both, you can maybe comment out one of them.
First one is
Done. Second one also.
yeah.
Okay. But what is the other way you can do this one?
Same.
So here, I'll comment out this. Let's uncomment. Okay. Click and hold is fine. Okay, source. But instead of move to element, you have to use a move by offset. So what is the method you have to use?
Move by
offset.
So now give that X and Y coordinates here.
coordinates. Yeah.
Okay, so 130, 150. Then release there, and that's it. So what is the extra method you got here? Move by
Move
offset.
by offset.
So run this. See all the methods I'm showing. Please catch those methods. See, it moved. It will be on the top, but it moved. That's the drag and drop by method and their methods. Straightforward method is there, and elaborately you can use other three methods also. Any one is fine. Okay. Any questions?
Awesome.
Yeah. So that's how you can write the programs on actions class. So let me take few more scenarios from here previous class and we'll move on. Next scenario is menu handling. We have how to handle menus. So let's see how to handle menus. Okay, so what is done? Right. So let me copy one reusable class WebDriver utils. I'll explain what is there in this class. Basically all reusable methods are there. Let's go and see WebDriver utils, what are all there. Okay. So this we have a WebDriver utils class in this parameterizer constructor. So capturing screenshot, we have seen already how to take the screenshot. Switch to frame, we have seen. Right, all this we have seen, switch to frames. Upload, I'll explain that. And highlight element, how to highlight element. So we need driver as a parameter and element, which element you want to highlight. So this method basically, this is called document comment. This method highlights the given element. Which element you want to highlight, you can highlight the element. So first you have to declare JavaScript executor, JSX equal to JavaScript executor of a driver. So basically, you are typecasting to JavaScript executor, this driver variable. So JS dot execute script of. So these are all JavaScript code. Arguments of 0 dot set attribute style background yellow border solid 5 pixel red. So you can, this is all JavaScript code till here. So that means first argument you are going to pass a JavaScript code. And the second argument is the element name, which element you want to highlight. That is the one. Then I'm just waiting for a few minutes. Then just start execute script. Arguments of 0 dot set attribute style border solid 2 pixel white. That's it. So then this element you have to pass. So that's the first for a highlight. Then so remove the highlightation. This is the main line of code to highlight. Okay, let's next two. So this is the highlight. Next, all the JavaScript related functions I'm showing here. So set attribute, you type the keyword without using send keys method. You don't need to use send keys method. You can just type value without send keys by calling this method. For this method, you have to give element, which attribute for
Value.
So what value you are storing here in this element?
In this element.
3 arguments you need to pass for this method to type the value in the edit boxes. So again, JavaScript executor, JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver, JS dot execute script. Always we are calling execute script, execute the JavaScript code. That's the meaning. Arguments of 0 dot set attribute, arguments 1, comma arguments 2. So arguments of 0 means element. Arguments of 1 means attribute name. Arguments of 2 means value.
Value.
So that's the set attribute. And public void scroll for element. Scroll for element. WebDriver driver. Web element element. So WebDriver driver and web element element. You can scroll for the element also. JavaScript executor JSX equal to JavaScript executor of driver. JSX dot execute script. Arguments of 0 dot scroll into. So this is the scroll for this element. Save JavaScript click. So you want to click on the element. So without using normal click, you want to click based on the JavaScript. Then this is the code. Try if element is enabled and element is displayed. So then, so JavaScript executor of so JS equal to JavaScript executor of driver. JS dot execute script. Arguments of 0 dot click method you are calling on this element. See, we are not using anywhere WebDriver click here. So just call this method. Automatically it will click. See here, try catch, one try block, multi catch blocks. So what is that? First catch block, stale element reference exception. Suppose your element is stale. So then you will get this stale element reference exception. If you get that, and this catch block will execute. And if the element is not there and you get no such element exception, then this block will execute. Other than these two, you are getting a different exception, then this will take care. That's the how to handle. So click without using normal WebDriver click. So that's a question also they will ask. So normal click is not working. How can you click on element? There are many ways. So one is JavaScript click, and another one is actions click also you can use. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go and see this. Any other methods? We can explain another 3 minutes we have. Okay. So how to download files, upload files, I'll explain first. Yeah. So upload files with robot class. How can you upload files with robot class? So you have to string selection class is available in java.awt package. Create object for that and specify your file path where you want to take the file from this path and copy the file to clipboard, system clipboard. So this is the code, clipboard object reference equal to toolkit dot, this is the class, toolkit is a class in java.awt package. Get default toolkit dot get system clipboard. So basically, this will just getting the clipboard, and then you're setting that content, this whatever the content is, this one here, and it will copy. Basically, it will copy the file path. Like Control C is done by these 3 lines. These 3 lines. Next, you create object for robot class. So robot object equal to new robot. So this robot object will throw AWT exception. That's why I'm putting in the try catch block. Then robot dot delay, some delay you view, and see. So when you're uploading a file, okay, when you're uploading a file, if you take this, so here you are clicking a attachment, right? If you click an attachment, now you got this. Here you need to press the enter key here. So that is the one here. Robot dot, for pressing any key, you have a robot class inside key press. And releasing the key, you have a key release. Key press, you have to pass the, what is the key? Key event dot wiki underscore enter. So if you want to release that key, robot object dot key release, key event dot wiki underscore control. You're pressing the enter key. And then you're, so control V you need to do, right? You need to press the control, you need to press the V. And then release that control V. Then press enter key. And for pressing, so key press, for releasing, key release. So that's how you can upload the file with the robot class. But robot class doesn't work in the Jenkins job, but locally it will work. So we'll see how to handle all this, okay? So that's the reusable methods. And let's connect back and we'll see a few more methods, okay? Yeah, thank you.